The mass COVID-19 vaccine site out at the Eastfield Mall is continuing to operate normal hours today and tomorrow. However, some appointments will likely be missed because of this weather. And Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live from the Eastfield Mall with more on that. Audrey?
The company that runs this site says that they have extensive planning measures in place to make sure that no doses go wasted.
We've done 1,800 so far, including today's numbers.
The number of people vaccinated against COVID-19 at the Eastfield Mall continues to grow. But snowy weather hitting Western Mass on Monday has raised concern about the dangers of driving to the Springfield site. Curative, the company running the location, is offering alternative times for people who miss their appointments due to weather. But what happens to the doses of vaccine that were thawed and waiting to go into arms Monday?
And we're looking at conditions on the ground and what our numbers are and the appointments made.
Dean Schultes is the vice president of field operations for Curative. He says they usually thaw and dilute vials based on the number of shots they plan to do per hour. He says the company has a plan for thawing vials on days when weather might force cancellations.
And we reduce that amount, to account for appointments that might not be able to be made so we don't have wasted doses.
Schultes tells Western Mass News they get 5 to 6 doses out of each vial. And even if there are a few thawed doses left over.
We've got 5 days refrigerated time once we thaw the Pfizer vaccinations.
Phase 2 officially began Monday with people 75 and over first in line. People 65 and over are next. Western Mass News' Vaccine Authority hotline has been flooded with questions about a more concrete timeline for people who are 65. Governor Charlie Baker addressing that issue, but not committing to an exact date.
It depends on whether you think the universe that you have left, how many people have had first doses, right? Because then you need to budget slots for the assumption that those folks are coming back for second doses, right? So that has an impact on when you can actually be able to make first doses available for people who are in the next group.
Now, for those who are still struggling to make an appointment for one of these mass vaccine sites online, Governor Charlie Baker says that they are working on a hotline that people can call. He says that they're planning on announcing the phone number for that hotline later on this week, around Wednesday or Thursday. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.